What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a makeup video. This is not the makeup look. I just woke up, I slept with my makeup on last night. I know that's not good for you, but I was so tired. I just did not have the energy to take off my makeup. But for today's video, we're gonna be doing my daily makeup routine that I've been doing lately. I kind of switched it up since I got a new palette and I wanted to show you guys how to do it and everything, and it's super easy, so fun, and I'm obsessed with it. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's get into it. Guys, so I just took off my makeup. This is what my face looks like without makeup, but it's a little irritated right now because like I said, I did just take off my makeup, so it's freckly, red, whatever. I did put on my NYX Hydro Touch Oil Primer. This is amazing if you have dry skin. Your girl has like alligator skin. It is so bad. I put this on before my foundation and I let it sit in for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Otherwise your foundation will rub off. You just have to let it sit into your face for a little bit. And it's amazing. My foundation used to get like so dry and cakey like in this specific area before I started using it, and now it's like a game changer. And then I of course put on some chapstick to hydrate the lips, and then I'm gonna let it sit in, and then we're gonna go ahead and do our foundation. I guess I can tell you what foundation I'm using. So I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible, I don't know, foundation in 420. That's my shade. I saw this on TikTok multiple times, and I normally use the Shape Tape foundation, and it's just expensive. It's $40, and this one was only $14.99, so I wanted to try it. It isn't as full coverage as the other one. It's more like medium to light coverage, but I still prefer it over the $40 one because it's $14.99 and it still works amazing, and it smells really good. Now that my foundation is on, I'm gonna go ahead and use my concealer. So I still am using the Shape Tape concealer because it's the only concealer I have at the moment. If it'll focus, not going to, okay. It's the only one I have at the moment, and I know there's some other ones on TikTok that people are totally recommending. So I need to go on TikTok and look at like the ones they're recommending. But we're gonna go ahead and do our concealer. Okay guys, now my concealer is done, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my powder on. So I used the Too Faced Primed Poreless Skin Smoothing Pressed Powder. This is the powder that I use. My boyfriend got it for me because I saw it at Marshall's one day, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is usually like so much more expensive. I think it was like $10. I was like, this is so expensive online. And he's like, you want it? I was like, no, it's okay, you don't have to get it for me. And he got it for me. So we're gonna go ahead and put this all over, and then I'm gonna go ahead and contour, and then I'll be back. Oh, and highlight, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, now that I contoured and put my highlight on, I'm gonna do my eyeshadow now. So I have been using the JACLYN Hill Volume 2 palette for my everyday makeup because I've been obsessed with it. So the colors, okay, so I guess we'll start with one color so I don't get you guys all confused. We're gonna start with Perfectionist, which is right here. We're gonna put that all over, and then I'm gonna go in with Comfort Zone, and I'm gonna put that all over. And then the last color we're gonna do is Homeboy, and we're gonna put that more, which is this one, we're gonna put that more like right here. I don't know what that's called, but we're gonna do that. I'm gonna go do that, show you guys that, and then you'll see the shimmer color that we use. Okay guys, so now I've finish my eyeshadow. Not all of it, obviously, but this is what it looks like. I know I look a little crazy, but that's fine. We're also gonna go ahead and put concealer like on the lid, and then we're gonna do a shimmery color. I still haven't decided if I want to do this color Get Ready With Me or Flawed and Odd. I think we're gonna do Get Ready With Me because I've done Flawed and Odd for a while. So we'll do this one, Get Ready With Me, and we're gonna just put that all over the lid, and then our eyeshadow should be done. Okay guys, now I put the shimmer color on it. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can really tell, but now we're gonna go ahead and do our eyeliner. Eyeliner is so important to me, very, very important. I use the Falcolor super fine liquid eyeliner. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Of course, my camera doesn't want to focus, but that's what we're using. And then I also use the L'Oreal Paris Super Slim 12 Hour because this isn't the perfect one to do the wing, but it's a great one to do the line. So I do this one with the wing, this one with the line, and then I go over this with the wing after I do it with this. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I have to focus super hard when I do this, so. Okay guys, so my eyeliner is done. Like I said, I have to focus so hard on it, otherwise I mess it up. But it turned out good, so that's good. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to our mascara. So I already curled my lashes. I might have to curl them again, it's fine. I use 3 different ones. So these are the mascaras I use. 2 of them are the same, but one is waterproof. And they're almost empty, so that's why I use 3 different ones, because these literally have like nothing in it. And this is brand new, but I don't like it as much, so I kind of just like balance it out with these 2. So I go ahead and I usually put the waterproof one on first, and then I do the regular one, waterproof, and then this mascara, and then I go back over with this mascara, which is a crazy routine, but it's the way I have to do it to get my lashes exactly how I want them to, because this one, I don't know, I just don't like this one. So I have to do that to do that. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna fast forward everything so you guys don't have to like watch like an hour of me trying to do my mascara. Okay guys, so my lashes are done. I have to curl them one more time, but I'm waiting for them to dry. So now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my eyebrows, and I normally use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Blonde, and I've been using this forever. I don't use anything else. I used to use a e.l.f. eyeshadow, and well, it was like an eyeshadow, but it was their brow stuff, but I didn't like it. And then someone gave this to me for free, and I was so happy, and it's amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and do our brows, and then I'll get back to you. Okay guys, so my makeup is done. This is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like, comment down below, video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.